Hey everyone, ready to take your project beyond the Emergent platform? Whether you're moving to your own servers or just want a local backup, exporting your source code is a must. Today, I'm showing you the simple, step-by-step process to download your files directly from the editor. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the project and close the preview log. Log in to your Emergent AI account and open the project you wish to download. Once the app loads, you will typically see a live preview panel on the right. Click the X icon in the top right corner of that preview to close it. This reveals the full project management interface. Step 2. Generate access via the Code button. Locate the Code button, usually found in the top navigation bar or near the deployment settings. When you click this, Emergent will begin spinning up a dedicated environment for your files. A pop-up will appear containing a VS Code link and a unique password. Pro tip: copy this password immediately. You will need it to unlock the browser-based editor in the next step. Step 3. Access the web-based editor. Click Open in Browser from the pop-up. This will launch a new tab with a full instance of VS Code for web. When prompted, paste the password you just copied and click Submit. Your entire project structure, including folders like front-end, back-end, and tests, will load in the left sidebar. Step 4. Download specific folders or the root. To save the files to your local machine, right-click on the folder you want, for example the root folder to get everything, and select Download. Your browser will package the folder into a .zip file. You may be prompted to allow file access or allow multiple downloads. Click Allow to ensure the zip is saved to your computer. You can open these in a local editor like Cursor or VS Code for further development. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.